Welcome to Edunyx LLC, where innovation fuels success. At the core of our mission, educate, innovate, transform, we're leaders in management consulting, technological innovation, and training solutions. Our mission? To empower your business with tools that drive growth, efficiency, and unparalleled performance across the board. But training? It's a pain point. Outdated manuals and generic workshops frustrate teams and waste time. Small or large, every business faces the LMS gap, outdated, rigid systems that hinder effective training. Edunyx recognized the growing gap in effective corporate training. That's why we built Edunyx LMS, a powerful, white-labeled platform designed to streamline onboarding, compliance, and skills development for modern teams. Edunyx combines your own training content with a growing library of over 140 SCORM-compliant courses, each offering up to 8 hours of flexible, self-paced learning. And there's more on the way. Boost engagement with gamified, mobile learning, anytime, anywhere. Host live Zoom or in-person training with interactive polls and real-time Q&As. Monitor training impact with real-time analytics and reporting, then reward learners with auto-generated unique verification ID certificates for verified achievements and compliance. Branded, secure, and endlessly scalable. Edunyx enhances team development for organizations of all sizes. Why Edunyx stands out? From lightning-fast performance to robust custom content support, Edunyx delivers the results and reliability that set it apart from traditional LMS platforms. Outdated training systems can't keep up. Take the first step toward modern learning. Join leading businesses transforming their workforce. Visit edunyx.com and book your exclusive demo now. Unlock your team's full potential. Start your journey today.